This plant is called oregano by many. You know, some call it Indian borage. Some call it Cuban oregano. Some say it's a substitute of oregano. Yeah, they even call it Mexican mint, Spanish thyme. Yeah?
Today's vlog is brought to you by the Coconut Hut Coconut Oil. That's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Everything tastes better with coconut oil. Call to order at 876-376-1296. So that's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Fix up life.
Hey, sweetness.
Welcome to the Herbal Laws channel on YouTube. Yeah, man. The channel where, you know, we can all share, you know, the benefits of herb. What we know, we can share it with each other, you know, in a way that we can preserve life. We can preserve the soil. We can preserve the earth, you know, and helping each other to live an healthy life with herbs. Yeah, man, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. You know, thanks for those who tune in from the inception of this channel. Thanks for those who watch sometime. You know, thanks for those who is always there. You know, so in today's video, we'll talk about, you know, oregano. You know, some say this is the substitute of oregano. You know, some call it Indian borage. You know, some call it Cuban mint or Spanish thyme. But where I'm from, in Jamaica, you know, the land of wood and water, we call it frenchthyme. And why I will stick to the name frenchthyme is that when I smell the herb, you know, I get that thyme smell. You know, the thyme that we use to season our favorite meal or favorite meat, you know. We use it in our pumpkin soup, you know, we use it in our sip, you know, and also we use it in our favorite dishes. Yeah, so that's the reason why I'll stick to the name frenchthyme. Now, oregano is also known for its aromatic, you know, smell. Yeah, so I mean, many people I talk to about this herb, you know, they are confused with the names, you know, but I also believe that there are many things on this earth that are called by many names, you know, but at the end of the day is one thing it does, and it provides a lot of health benefits for human beings. You know, granny, my grandmother or our grandparents use the frenchthyme, you know, crush it up, put it in them tired and tight on their head, you know, for pain when they are having an headache, you know, and it's used for many other things. Yeah, so in today's video, I also want to show you another plant which is also called oregano. Yeah, now the aroma of this plant is similar to this one, you know. They are very similar, but the leaves are different, you know. So as we go by, as this plant get bigger, I'll show you the difference, because it's a small plant now, but when it get bigger, yeah, I'll show you the difference. But both plants, you know, have a lot of health benefits, and the health benefits are similar. Yeah, so in today's video, yeah, I also want to, you know, replant, you know, a piece of this French thyme, or if you call it oregano. So if you can look right here, you can see that based on where this plant was, you know, it catch a little root right here. So I am going to just cut it and replant it in a pot. So I'm gonna plant it in this pot. Stay tuned. Herbal family, in this pot, you know, I place some soil, you know, and I get a piece of the French thyme, or oregano as many call it, you know, and I just, you know, at least 2 inches of stem, you know, and I place it in the soil. Yeah, so this is one method of replanting the oregano or the French thyme plant, you know. And I'm also gonna use another method which is called water propagating. Yeah, so I'll put down these three different method of replanting, and then we'll share it in another video, you know, which one of the method survive better, you know, whether water propagating, whether just sticking the plant in some soil in a pot, whether wait until it catch root, you know, whether you're going to cut it and put root powder on it, or it can just catch root into water, or it can catch root by just sticking it in the soil. Yeah, so this already in the soil, yeah, this water propagated is already in water, yeah, and I'm going to cut, you know, at least 2 inches, yeah, which already have root, you know, to give the plant its independent, or its independence, you know. So this is the plant. So I'm going to remove some of these leaves to at least 2 inches, you know, and place it in the soil. Yeah, so I think I can even cut it here. So in this pot I have some soil already at the base of the pot. Now always ensure that the pot have holes so that the water can drain, yeah, so that the plant can absorb oxygen, yeah. So if the plant can't breathe properly in the pot, it will not survive, yeah. So there's a hole inside of the pot, yeah, to give it survival purpose. So after cutting it 2 inches, I go and place it in the pot. and I'm going to add more soil to it. Always press, you know, press the plant in the soil to keep it firm. Yeah, and that's it. So I replant in a pot a part of the plant which already catch root, and I also set this, which is called water propagating, to see if it will catch root, and also just sticking the plant in some soil in a pot, and we'll observe the difference between the three different methods of replanting the French thyme or the oregano plant. Yeah, so I'll observe it and then show you in another video. Yeah, I know you will also ask a question. After cutting the plant, yeah, can the plant survive? You know, and I always say that when you're cutting the stem, you need to, your cutter need to be clean, need to be sharp, to just give it a smooth cut. Yeah, no jagged edge, you know. And then I'll use some soil to just rub over, you know, the cut area. Yeah, to avoid, you know, water from, you know, rotting the plant. And always cut it above, you know, where there's a stem, so that the plant can survive. Yeah? Some people, when they cut like larger plants, they probably put some root powder, or some people put a little paint over it. Yeah, my uncle would use his saliva to cover it. So many people use many different methods. Yeah, I also think you can use the root powder, you know, put the root powder over it and maybe wrap it, you know, wrap it so that no water can seep through it. Yeah, but I'm gonna just use some soil to just rub over it and observe and show you in another video. So whatever you call this plant in your city or your country, yeah, what matters is the many health benefits from this plant. French thyme, substitute oregano, Cuban mint, yeah, and it is also a part of the mint family. Yeah, so what is important is the many health benefits that the plant provides. Yeah? So, thanks for watching. Yeah? Thanks for subscribing. Share this video with a friend. Share this video with a family. Yeah? And I hope from this video you have learned something. Yeah? And as I said before, this channel is a safe space where you can share your opinion. Yeah? I want to also bless up our new subscribers. Yeah? And the reason for this video is that one of our new subscribers, one of our new Herbal Laws family, you know, reach out in the comment section, you know, and was saying to me that the plant that I stick in between the callaloo plant in the previous video is called oregano. Yeah? And I'm saying to my family, you're not wrong, because this plant is called by many names. Yeah? But as I said, the most and one most important thing is the many health benefits that this plant provides. And this plant is one that over the entire globe, people use it in their favorite dishes. So thanks for your comment. Yeah, bold pictures, gardeners. Yeah, yeah, which mention that the plant is called oregano. Yeah, thanks for your comment. Yeah, and thanks for your comment also, Pete Simpson. Yeah, if that's the name of your channel, which you suggest that I get a table so that, you know, I can showcase our viewers can see more of what is happening. So, Pete, yeah man, I get a table today so that I could demonstrate. Yeah, and thanks for your advice. Yeah, and I'm saying for the rest of viewers, your comments and your opinion means a lot. Thanks again. Herbal. So herbal family, don't confuse, you know, one's mind, you know, or oneself with the different names of this plant. Yeah? Because at the end of the day, it is still a part of the mint family. Yeah? It is a part of the mint family. Yeah? And the name oregano, you know, really means the aromatic smell of the plant. Yeah? So that's the meaning of the name oregano. Yeah? The meaning comes from the aromatic smell of the plant. See you in another video.